On this week's edition of The Acres of Brown, we have a Contech 48-inch straight blade industrial in brown. It uses a cast iron motor, albeit relatively thinly cast. So it dates to 1996. I got this one new in box along with 4 others from somewhere in Indiana. Yeah. Brown. Most of them are brown. In fact, thinking. All of them are brown. I think I sold one of them off right away. I got a brown 48-inch wood blade from the early 80s, much heavier motor, thicker motor. Alright, I got this brown 48-inch industrial, and I also got a brown 56-inch reversible curved blade industrial. But this is the 48-inch straight blade. So, yeah, it's brand new out of the box. Again, it is quite nice. The motor isn't that heavy for a cast iron motor, honestly. They went to stamped, I want to say, around 2002, maybe 2003. So, but this one is cast. So let's see how it performs. For the purpose of testing, I have it on a Hunter 4-speed slider. Right, rated for 1.6 amps. Capacitor values are currently unknown. I've yet to crack it open, so, So, anyway, start it on low. As you can see, the low speed is very aesthetic. That's kind of what we want. And by very aesthetic, I mean extremely aesthetic. So in the lot originally, there were 5 fans. At first I thought one was a brown wood blade. Okay. I thought one was a white wood blade. I thought one was a brown 60-inch straight blade. And then there were 2 brown 48-inch, as seen here. Okay. One got sold off early on, and then one of the 48s, got sold off early on. Then one of the 56s I sold off at Fanimation simply because I don't need the redundancy. If someone wants it, sure, I only need one of each thing. I don't need a zillion of them, but anyway, yeah, so as you can see, the low speed is very aesthetic and pretty nice. Let's go up to medium-low. Yeah, for the test rig I have, because these Contechs actually plug in, right? I have it hooked up to an extension cord, which is then running to an inline switch, basically a cord with a box on it, which has the switch on it, and then that's running to another extension cord to an outlet. Now the speeds on this, with this control, this fan aren't the best. Because medium-low is already kind of a, like, normal medium for a 48-inch industrial. So it's kind of like, eh. Let's go up to medium high. And then medium high is even faster. Like it's virtually high speed. Like this is the kind of high speed that a Dayton ring, a 48-inch ring would have. You know, it's not particularly great, but it gets the job done. Alright, now let's go to high speed. But to be fair, the speeds aren't too bad. There's no resonant frequency hit. Alright. Yeah, there's none of that, which is good. And you know, the only gripe I have is that medium low is a little fast. Medium high is whatever, but on high speed, yeah, it's hauling ass. I want to say this one, it definitely has a higher speed than a 48-inch Silverline. It definitely has a higher speed than a Ring. Possibly about the same, if not slightly higher than my cast 48-inch Westie. But does it move more air than those? That's hard to tell. I want to say the 48-inch, you know, Weatherite Westinghouse moves more air, but this one's a close second. Because I know the 56-inch Contechs, oh yeah, they really move a lot of air. You know, they move more than a Gold Line, you know, which is the supposed gold standard for performance. Yeah, not really. There are better industrials out there. However, nothing beats the performance of a cast SMC. Those things, those are monsters. But yeah, this thing, it runs very well. Has good speed to it. Yeah, I like it. Now let's let it coast. Yeah, so what I ended up getting were two brown 48s, a brown 48 curved or wood blade, okay, and then two brown 56-inch curved blade reversible. Yeah, all brown. Not what I was expecting, but I guess the seller may have had more than the fans listed and got them mixed up. Happy accident, I suppose. But yeah, cast Contechs aren't the most common things out there. They didn't sell anywhere near as well as, say, Envirofans or Dayturds. You know, they didn't. Oh yeah, Contech stands for Conservation Technology. And again, this fan is fresh out of the box. I let this thing run for a few days to let it break in, because some idiot decided they wanted to make the basement wet. So, had to dry. The blades are steel, which is par for the course with the Contechs. They're all steel blades. You know, but the motor is of a decent size. I would say it's probably upwards of 172. Maybe 172 by 12. It's really hard to tell with industrials. But it's no slouch. What I like about these Contechs is they have that chocolate brown. Like a milk chocolate brown. The Woodblade, the 4 Woodblade Contech is a much darker brown, like a dark chocolate brown. Which I find interesting. So, I mean, yeah, 48-inch Contechs are nice, especially when you find them new in the box. Anyway, there you have it. A 48-inch brown straight blade Contech Industrial.